What about the relationship between urban and rural areas? Collapse. Yes, collapse. On the basis of interdependence, cities and villages are increasingly separated. Rural and urban areas are expanding outward, so diversity and freshness are declining. Social inequalities and the potential risk of flooding are increasing. So, how to alleviate the contradiction between urban and rural areas? As the boundary has expanded, people have come to realize that we can have a lot of freedom on the boundary. Perhaps boundaries with thickness may be the best solution to solve the urban and rural contradiction. Along this path of historical development, we propose the concept of community garden to integrate it and utilize the originally abandoned area. The Belgian city Ghent not only has a certain risk of flooding, but also decreases the diversity of food due to urbanization. We pose these concepts in 6 blocks of Ghent to balance the contradiction between urban and rural areas. But how to develop community garden? We found extension theory. This theory has been applied in many fields. By dismantling the target step by step, establishing mathematical models, using extension trench, carrying out excellent evaluation, and finally achieving the target. First, we analyze the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats of the site. The model of non-contradictory innovation problem is established, and the divergence is carried out by diamond thinking. And finally, the convergence is carried out according to the general objective, and 2 basic models are obtained. Determine the measurement standard and weight. Mark the full weight measurement index. Establish the correlation function. The standard correlation degree and overall excellence degree were calculated, and the mathematical prototype of community garden was determined by comparing the chart. According to the specific situation of camp, extension trends are carried out to deepen the design. The characteristics of the prime are related to design the planting courtyard. Using implicit-explicit conjugation, the potential functions of space such as plants and pools are explored in order to solve the risk of flood and flood. The quantitative value of a certain feature of the object is expanded and contraction, and all kinds of changes in planting areas are obtained. The addition and deletion of the basic metal feature resulting in new space, such as children's park, courtyard office, and reading park. Community gardens provide working place and work opportunities that can relieve the traffic drain. Besides, they create access and leisure space, improving neighbors' living quality. At climatic scale, community gardens provide water on sunny days, collect and purify rainwater on rainy days, and increase the city's water storage capacity. As well as getting more land, it also reduces the likelihood of flood. The community garden generated by extension theory can be used to make cities more sustainable and resilient. Community garden can serve as a paradigm for urban and rural integration to create high-yield mixed future.